Hi, Bum Bums. Yeah, you're being very cute today. It's Labor Day weekend, Friday. Well, hi, Bum Bums. Hi. What's up there? What's up there? Every time we look at the picture wall and she waves, I think she's waving at the kids and saying hi. Say hi. Okay, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Chloe, you're trying to climb up on the couch. Say hi. Say hi to the picture wall. Alright, I'm going to help you up. And then you're going to take over my camera. Ouchie. Hi. Can you say dog? Yeah. Dogs, yeah. And can you say ball? Ball. Where's the ball? Say hi. Say hi. Chloe, can you say? Can you blow? So silly. No, you can't have that. So some important milestones at this age. She's gonna be, she just turned 16 months, I think. I don't know, it's August. She can sleep through the night now without a bottle. That just happened like in the last couple weeks. At her last doctor's appointment, she only still weighed 19 pounds. She's skinny bitty. Where's her skinny little belly? Where's her skinny little belly? No. No, we don't grab that. Where's Puppy? Where's Benny? Is Benny outside? Wanna go let Benny in? Wanna go let Benny in? Cup. You wanna go get Bubba? Let's go get Bubba. Uh-oh. Let's go get Bubba. Come on. Over here, Chloe. No, Chloe, over here. Chloe. There he is. you watching the dogs? Chloe. Chloe, you watching the dogs? Chloe. Say bye-bye. Chloe, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. I see you later. Chloe.